I'm Giselle. I come from Paris, and you can hear that, I think. So I moved to I moved to New York City 2 years ago in order to create Heyo. We are two founders, and with a team both in Paris and in New York City. And I'm glad to present you Heyo and how we use augmented reality to control your whole house. So let's start with a state of the art. So today we have the smart home. For example, we can see now big companies are introducing smart fridge, smart washing machine, even smart cooker, very useful, trust me. The smart TV, of course, we can control a smart TV with the iPhone, with Amazon Alexa. The smart light, the smart speakers, with a very famous brands like Sonos and Yamaha or Sony, and smart shutters too. We have more in your home today. We have any devices like even smart fireplace. Do you know you can start a fire with just your smartphone? So that's pretty cool. We can do everything at home now, and I love this kind of smart product. So at home, I have the thermostat, the TV, the Sonos, and everything. And when my mother or my kids are at home, you know, they need the app. And here we are. So when my mother is at home, for example, she cannot watch TV. She cannot listen to the radio. She cannot do anything. She cannot even turn on the light because she doesn't have the app, you know. So that's why we started with Alexa or Google Home. So that's really cool. I love Alexa because I just have to speak, and you know it's easy. Alexa, turn on the light, give me the weather and everything. But the problem is I'm French. Alexa reminds me all day. She cannot understand me, you know. So that's great in order to improve your speak language, you know. But finally, with kids, with elderly people, Alexa it's great. It's really great. But you know, it's very difficult to say, Alexa, please turn on the light when the kids are in the bed or things like that. So, as I told you, I am in the computer vision field since several years now, since more than 9 years. And I love this experience of Alexa, of living, shopping, and searching without any screen. But we wanted to do something really more, and you know, everybody is looking at this, the sense, the force at home. So we dream about this in order to control your device just with gesture recognition or with Heyo. So let me introduce you quickly Heyo. It is not really gesture recognition we want to do. We want to control with the space around us. So the question is what we could do if it is possible to virtually control reality. Heyo can connect the real world, finally, you know? So let me show you a video.
For the last year, our team at Heyo has been developing a new technology that once only existed in science fiction. Today, we invited our friends to experience the magic behind using Heyo for the first time.
All right, well, let's talk about what we're doing here today. What if I told you guys that you could control your home and bring to life the space around you with no screens, no physical remotes, and no yelling across the room? Just this.
Whoa.
Whoa, seriously?
When did you do that?
You're like a genie.
Did that just turn on?
Yeah, yes it did.
Whoa.
Meet Heyo. It transforms the space and objects around you into a set of magical remote controls. With just a simple movement of your hand, Heyo allows you to control lights, music, television, temperature, and much more. Setup is quite simple. Place Heyo in the space of your choice, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then Heyo will automatically 3D scan your space. Once scanning is complete, using Heyo's augmented reality app, you can create a virtual button on an object or even in thin air to control any of your favorite devices. And that's it.
Thank you.
Wherever you live, Heyo connects the space around you with you.
Step
Whenever
by
you
step,
want,
we are
for whatever
integrating
you
new
need.
API. So you can put the virtual remote
How
control
do you feel about
everywhere
some
you
music
want.
right now?
Wow.
That'd be awesome.
Huh?
We love music.
Try it out.
So you can see people, it's very magic to use Heyo, and it is so simple. Everybody, kids, elderly people can use it, because finally it is just a button. It is just a button in the air. It's not spatial analysis, it's not gesture recognition. It's not very complicated. We just are revolutionizing button. Yesterday I heard someone who was telling me, I want to eliminate the button. But why? Why? This is what we are using all day. So for my mother, for my kids, even for my baby soon, it will be so easy to just move in a place and to turn on the light and to use for the first time their connected devices. So let me explain you very quickly how it works. I think the video was pretty clear, but Heyo is a kind of 3D sensor inside, and we scan your room first, and after, with the augmented reality app, you can choose exactly where you want to create your virtual remote control. So it's very easy. It's like in a video game, you are just playing with a drone in a video game. So you choose, for example, my virtual remote control. If I have Heyo here, my virtual remote control could be here, and when I touch, I connect it to the light. Okay? So, yes, I have 2 minutes more in order to explain you what is inside Heyo. Here you have, it's very simple. You have just a 3D sensor here, and after a small computer in order to have the motion analysis, the spatial analysis and the motion analysis directly in real time in order to send the command, okay? So if you move Heyo, you have the automatic repositioning. So it is very important, you know, the housekeeper. Hop. So we learn the context, and Heyo is very smart in order to have his landmark to see where are the virtual remote control. So last very important thing is that we respect your privacy. It is not a camera. I'm using Heyo in my bathroom, so trust me, it's not a camera. So it is a 3D sensor, and we cannot have the facial recognition for now. So we respect your privacy. It's very important for me to do a very important point about this, to respect your privacy. We are not watching you. It is just, we scan your environment, and you put the virtual remote control wherever you want. We are not analyzing the person exactly, okay? So we have several, here you can see it is the augmented reality app. It's like a drone, and after you choose where you place your virtual button. You can see the virtual button, the slider, and the barrier. The big plan green is a virtual barrier. So if I cross, I can turn on a siren, I can turn on the light in a very specific direction, and it is very nice for security for kids, for example. So about the artificial intelligence things, I invite you to come in our booth in the playground, and we will explain you what we can do soon in order to create AO very powerful with totally aligned with your habits, you know? So, yes, last thing, in many ways, we are just pursuing the same process that Alexa or Google Home started, and now we want to introduce the power of augmented reality for the consumer, for real people, you know? So the good thing is that we are not using a display, but they totally understand today that the virtual remote control can be here and not. I cannot see it, but it's here because I can touch it. So it is very nice to see how people today are integrating how the virtual world is integrating the real world. Thank you.